Well, weather-wise, we'll be tracking some scattered showers and thunderstorms for today. That's our top headline. But then temperature-wise, oh boy, we are getting so close to that 70-degree mark. In fact, our average high temperature is 70 degrees starting this Wednesday. So basically, it should be a coin flip on any given day that we finally hit it for the first time this year. But for today's weather system, this weak occluded front is moving through western Washington right now. There's not much energy in it at the moment. However, a little bit of daytime heat should actually supply some energy for eastern Washington. That's why I do think some scattered showers are very much possible. There is a little bit of light rain over Chelan County this morning, but doesn't look like much is falling at the moment. But we'll notice the development after about 3 o'clock today as the frontal system itself gets closer to our region and that daytime heat builds up at least a little bit. Gives us that combination that is good enough to at least pop these scattered showers and thunderstorms from about 3 o'clock this afternoon through 10 or 11 o'clock later on tonight. We still see that activity on the computer modeling over far eastern Washington and into North Idaho again later on for the evening hours. It's a slow moving system. That's why our time frame is actually pretty wide for this, but it won't rain all the way. This is, again, scattered. It'll be very hit and miss throughout the course of the daytime hours. High temperatures in the mid-60s, again, good enough to supply some energy into the atmosphere, even though it is still a little bit cooler than average. And I mentioned our average gets up to now 70 degrees starting this upcoming Wednesday, and at least I do have above average temperatures, even if it is by a degree, for Wednesday and Thursday. Again, only important because we haven't hit 70 yet this year, which is now a new record for the latest we've ever gone into a year having not yet hit 70 degrees. The latest up to this point was May 21st, where it was in the 70s back in 1896. It took all the way until May 21st, but that was Saturday, and it was only 59 for us on Saturday, and it was 66 yesterday. So when will that first day be? Looking like it's going to be either the 25th or 26th of this month. We've also broken the record for most consecutive days below 70 degrees, and we're on pace for our coldest May on record as well. So that is what we'll be watching over the course of this final full week of May. Memorial Day weekend looking colder again, thanks to another cool and wet weather pattern that moves through for Saturday and Sunday.